my kitchen. Today I'm replicating a childhood favourite of mine, the Yogo Dirt Dessert. Let's get stuck in. Now the ingredients I'll be using today for the chocolate pudding: 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of corn flour, half a cup of castor sugar and 800 ml of milk. For the marshmallow pudding on top, I'm going to be using 2.5 teaspoons of gelatine, 125 ml of hot water, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 egg whites, and half a cup of castor sugar. And for the chocolate dirt on the bottom, I've just crushed up some chocolate biscuits. To get started, I'm going to pop some of these crushed chocolate biscuits in the bottom of the glasses to form the dirt. And I'll pop these to the side while we make the chocolate pudding. For the chocolate pudding, I'm mixing together the cocoa powder, the corn flour and the sugar into 300 ml of the milk. I've popped that chocolate mix to the side. Now the rest of the milk is going into this saucepan here and I'm going to bring that to the boil. Now that milk has come to the boil, I'm going to reduce the heat and slowly add this chocolate mix. While I wait for the chocolate pudding to thicken, I'm going to get started with the marshmallow pudding. I'm going to mix the gelatine into the hot water and set that aside so it dissolves. And with these 2 egg whites, I'm going to beat them until they're foamy. Now those egg whites are foamy, I'm going to slowly add the vanilla extract and the sugar. This chocolate pudding is thickened, so before I pop it into the glasses, I'm going to set it aside to cool. Final step for the marshmallow pudding is to pop the mixer on high and slowly add the gelatine until it's mixed in well. Okay, to finish off these dirt desserts, I'm going to slowly tip the chocolate pudding onto the chocolate biscuit dirt and then top it with some marshmallow pudding. And that is it, my take on Yogo Dirt Desserts. If you do remember them from your childhood, let me know in the comments down below, or head over to my Instagram page. That's where I post photos of all of my creations. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time with another video. Bye!